Original Hilux roof was totally effed up, so I've got a whole donor truck. It died early at 36,000 miles. The doors are super clean. It's got gaskets. So I chopped the roof off this 74 Hilux. And check this out. 75. A little parking pass. How neat is that? Roof off of this needs to go onto this, but it needs to be notched out for the cage because the cage fits super tight. So I'm replicating the notches and the fit along the bottom so that it fits along the cab. Roadster. Hardtop. I've had this roof off well over 100 times trying to get the fitment decent on this, good enough to weld. And I now have a new roof on the old Death Wish Hilux. So leaves for Corey's to go get blasted today. Next time you see it, be bare metal. Off to hard color to get all the rust and paint and grease and dirt removed. And then I can address all the rust and holes